Yeah, today I will discuss about uh, encoding and the decoding in the PHP. Encoding and the decoding means, again, whenever you want to pass the value from the one page to another page, okay, so that value, if you want, you can encrypt also, okay, due to the some, if you want to provide the some certain security again. So mainly this kind of the concept is the useful whenever you want to pass the value you with the help of the URL, means with the help of the get method. Whenever you want to pass the value, that time you required again the, all of this concept. So PHP, actually there are the three most popular, actually around the 7 to 8 techniques are there, but out of this one, three most popular again the inbuilt function. This is the inbuilt function, even you can write your function also. So this inbuilt function will encode the value, okay. So out of this one, first one is there URL encode. So this URL encode, this will encode only the alphanumeric value, okay. Second is there again the base 64 encode. This also we can encode, but here anything, any kind of the string you can encode, but here the number of the size is a little bit more than the URL encode, okay. And convert U and UU encode also, you can also encode here again with the help of this one. This again you taking the more space compare than your compare than your again the actual string, okay. And same way you have a decode again. So URL decode, you can, if you are doing in the URL encode, that means with the help of the decode again you can decode the value. Then second one is again the base 64 decode, and third one is again the convert UE decode. So even if you want one technique you can apply, even you want same places you can apply the more than one technique also, okay. So what I will do today, I will just show the very one small demo. In that demo, I will take one page, and that page I will pass some value to another page with the help of the get method, and with the help of the get method only will encode the value, and we'll see in the URL all value is in the encrypted only, and another page again will decrypt that value and will display the value, okay. So in that case, again I'll create one notepad. I'll just open the notepad, and the notepad again our basic again the part will write here doc type html head title, and again the title I can write here encoding and the decoding in the PHP, and then close the title, close head, close start body. Then I will, this is the one kind of the heading in that page. So h1 align center, style, color, colon, any value you can give here, okay. And then PHP encoding and decoding, okay. Close the h1, right. And then again I'm closing the body, and the closing here again the HTML. So what I will do here, I will link from this page to the another page. So this page to the another page, linking is again with the help of anchor tag only, with the help of anchor tag only, okay. So a anchor tag a href equal to, and you can give the any page name. So first I'll save this file in there again the same location, because this is the PHP file, the same location I will upload this file. So I'm just giving the page name encoding.php. This is the my page name, okay. So another page where I can display this one, decoding.php I'm writing here, okay. And click here for next, I can give that text again, and we can close this anchor tag, okay. So now here again, this is again done, this is the one page. So one more page I have to create, decoding.php. So one more notepad I will start. In this notepad file again I will save this file first, decoding.php only, right? And what I will do, I'll just same code I'll copy, only I'll just decode the value here. Yes, and heading I am just changing. This is the decoding decoding page. I can write in the heading. Okay, and here again my decoded value, nothing, just I written like this. Again we'll see, Control S. So WEM server is running or not, I will check. Yes, it is running in my system. Then localhost sam6 encoding .php. Yes, coming. So click here next. Little bit I can increase the font also. So either I can write the anchor tag itself only, the style sheet, style, color, blue color I don't want, I want some different color. So I can go for the red, and font size also I can increase. Font size I am giving here again the 24px. Okay, I think enough. Control S, refresh the page. Yeah, click here next is coming in the red color. So once I'll click, due to the this anchor tag, you see the URL now, encoding.php is there. Okay, so once I'll click here next, you see which page, decoding.php is there, but here no URL value, nothing is there, only the page name is there. Okay, so now here again I will pass some value along with the URL. Okay, and the another page, decoding.php, with the help of the get method, that value will fetch. Okay, first I will show you the value. So encoding page, how to pass the value, very simple way. Question mark, okay, and give again the some variable name, anything without again the dollar only. Okay, so I am writing here MYNAME, my name, I return the some name equal to, and inside the PHP I have to pass the value PHP equal to, then PHP you can write here echo double quote Alok Ranjan, I am written here. Okay, otherwise this value I can store in the one variable. Here I can store inside the one variable, and that value only I'll put. Generally the practically I mean the professional way you are doing like this only, dollar my name, yeah, dollar name equal to Alok RANJN Ranjan, done, and I'm giving the CONT. Yes, 9 some number I already added here, contact. Clear? Anything if you want you can go for the email also, not a problem. So dollar email only I can write, little bit with the along with the special character we can see. Yeah, okay, now to this two value along with this URL I'll pass. So first I written the my name, this one, and this will be the again dollar name, done. Okay, if you want multiple value, then we can use the ampersand, and then again give the again one more email equal to anything you can write here. I am writing here em only. So if you want to confuse the again the hacker, you can write anything. If you are writing the email, they should know this is the email value. I am writing here again the just L, that's it, and here I will write there only the ME, enough. This also okay. So L equal to some value and ME equal to some value, so person will confuse what is the ME. Okay, so this is the depends upon your wish how you want to just hide your information. So ME, then again I want to pass the email value. So dollar echo dollar email. Yeah, done. Control S I did. Now you see I will refresh this page, and you just see the URL here. You see here only the URL. Okay, so in URL click here next, I'll click. Yeah, you see ME equal to Alok Ranjan and L equal to this one is coming, right? Okay, now the page name is the decoding.php. So with the help of the get method I pass this value to the another page, right? But this value is already visible here. So what I will do, I will just encode this value. So for encoding this value, what I will do here, only one by one I will show you. First I will use the URL encode. URL encode dollar name. Okay, same way URL encode before the email we written here. So that's it. Control S. Now go back to this page. Just refresh. You now the see URL. Okay. So URL happen in the URL encode. Here encrypting is again just they added the between the space, the percentage and the plus symbol. Okay. Clear? Now at the place of this one, you use the again the base 64 and you see the difference. Base 64 underscore encode, and this also I will change base 64 underscore encode. Now you refresh, go back, refresh, you see. Now you see the value complete encrypted now. That's why I told base 64 is taking the more space, and URL encode that is again converting only the alphanumeric value in the along with the very minimum again the encrypting techniques. Okay, and if you want you can apply both again, the URL encode also you can use and the base 64 also if you want you can use again. So now you see nobody will again the change here value. Now what is the name, Alok Ranjan name, otherwise email ID is there in the URL. So this is the complete encrypted only. If you want one more encryption again you can use here again, there again itself base 64 this portion, and then you can use here the URL encode also after the encrypting value, that also possible. Okay, same way here URL encode whatever the value is, only we have to give the respect to the bracket. Yes, Control S. Now go back, hello, click here. Now you see here again the more encryption, again the some percentage and the equal to symbol is also there, right? So in this way you can encrypt. Now same way whatever the third method is there, this one what is called convert UU encode, that also if you want you can apply same way. Okay, so now in the decoding page, here again we have to retrieve the value. So for retrieving the value what we have to do, use again the PHP. Okay, and in this PHP value is coming here. So dollar my name equal to dollar underscore get, with the help of the get method only na, and then we have to give this name only, which name you are passing the value. Here we are passing the value along with the ME and along with the L. Okay, so in this name only we have to write inside the this one. Okay, now here we have to see, because the encoded value is coming, then we have to decode. So decode again, what we have to do, we already use again here first base 64 encode and then URL encode. So what happened, whenever the coming the value there, so first we have to URL decode, then only the base 64 decode we have to do na. Okay, so here first URL decode, that value whatever the value is coming that you decoded in the with the help of the URL decode, and then base 64 underscore decode. Order we have to see, right? Same way the mobile number also, email ID. So dollar email equal to base 64 underscore decode, then again URL decode, then again dollar underscore get is capital only. Okay, L is along with the L only we are passing the value of the email ID na, in that page, that we have to remember. Okay, this L. Clear? So same things we have to write here. Now value is coming here, my decoded value, then you display here, name is, PHP code is there, so inside the PHP you can display here echo dollar my name, right? Then use the br, one more br, and then email id is same way. Inside the php you echo dollar email semicolon close php code, right? And if you want any kind of the little bit font bigger, yes, something, anything, so h2 style, giving the complete is the same different format only. Color colon has asa, sorry, ab 1 2, some value will come, yes, and close the h2 here. Just a small designing only to visible for you only. Okay, now you see here I can go for this page, refresh. So we already passed the two value. You see my decoded value, name is Alok Ranjan is coming, and email ID is also coming now. Okay, but again I will change here value at the place of the Alok Ranjan is there na. I will change this one. I will write the here again the Canada Engineering College, and we can use the Canada mail ID again. Canada IT Canada at the rate of gmail.com, something we written there. Now you see coming back here, refresh, click here, you see changing the value, and you see nobody can again the encrypt here. What value is there? See again the some different technique is there. They will copy this string, they will apply, and they can hack. That is the different things. But normal way, if you want to hide the file with the help of the inbuilt function, you can encrypt the value. You can see again the any gmail again anything. You see here I am just here again the some value is coming. I am opening this mail, I'll open this mail again, you see the value here, encrypted value is coming na. So there again they have their own again the algorithm they, with the help of that algorithm they can encrypt. You can also use the your own algorithm, but these are the inbuilt function in the php. This is also the more popular for a programmer, more popular by the programmer to use the encrypt and the decrypt concept. Okay, same way if you want to convert u in code, same way, nothing is extra. I will just use this one also. All three you can use. One more again the encryption if you want, I will just put here nothing, only the before this one u in code, yes, same. I am just converting only the one is the u in code, other I am not converting. So here again decoding again, so we have to convert here again, one more again the bracket, okay, and this one is the u in code is the decode, and then we have to close the one more bracket, only the name I converted, right? Now you see come back to here, refresh the page, click here, yeah, some problem is coming for not a valid encode string in the line of the, yeah. So what happened, this is default is not taking the again the string, they will convert only the string only. Okay, so this we cannot use the together. URL decode and this one you can use together, but only normal string you can do like this only. That also I'll show, 1 minute. Control S. I will take one more string here. Yeah, you see here I'll just take one more string here. I will just put here dollar address Mangalore. Okay, and this value also will pass after this again ampersand and a d I will write only equal to php code echo control z, 1 minute, echo And what is the function name? Function name will copy here. UE encode, convert UE encode, that is called. Okay, so echo encode $add. Yes, done. Now another page, come to here again, $addr equal to this UE encode I can convert to the decode, and then again $_get, that is the AD only. I pass the value there. Yeah, okay. And then address, if you want to display here, br slash address is echo addr, echo $addr. Yes, now come to this page, refresh, click. Yeah, you see coming here, and you can see the URL also, that is also the encrypted, nothing Bangalore is there. Okay, so in this way you can use all of these functions, inbuilt function, whenever you are passing the value. Okay, even same concept you can use whenever you want to encrypt the password and you want to store in the table also. There also you can apply, nothing like only the URL. Even if you want, you can apply for the storing the information in the table also. Okay, so that depends what you want. So in this way you can encrypt and decrypt the value.